Hello, 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 and welcome to Unit 6 of How to CAD, in which I will cover 3D tools. Um, so the I covered how to use the fillet, chamfer, and today I'll be covering how to use shell, hole, and external thread. You won't really need a lot of these. It's not too difficult to CAD with or without them. So let's get to it. First is shell. So what shell does is basically it can remove a certain like the insides and leave like a wall to any shape. So let me show you. If I click this right here, as you can see, this is what it does. This is what the shell does, like that. So it makes a wall here and it takes away the space in the middle. So I will take this away. I will show it on the base. Use shell on this. Look at that. By the way, if you edit anything in your Part Studios, if you go to your assembly, it will change on there as well. Whoa. Is it because okay, part one, is it this? Oh, I don't know what's going on. I'll insert it again. And yeah, so as you can see, it does change it within the premises of the actual thing. So now, I will go to the next one, which is the hole tool. In this, you click this, select make connectors, click on make connector. You can add it wherever you want, but I would put it in like certain spots, like maybe here. I'd put it in the middle. Then you can say if you want it tapped or straight, and then how diameter, how deep, and click it. And as you can see, mine did say tapped, so it's a bit tapped. It will show it. Tapped basically means is when you in robotics you would grab a little machine that we call a tap, and you would fit it into a hole, and you would twist it over and over again. You might want to put oil. It's really sometimes it hurts, but I did this a lot. And you keep twisting it. When you take it out, it makes these perfect ridges for screwdrivers and stuff. I will take that away. And um, you won't always need that in your CAD. If you're gonna make something more professional, it would be great. For FTC CAD, you don't have to have it. A cheat code that I have to you guys is that in FTC CAD, do not make it the most complex thing ever. Because unless, like for the FTC project, and I'm only talking about the project, actual CADs, you want it to be specific. But for the FTC project in CSP, unless they specify, then like if they say you need to make an entire robot, then that's what you have to do. Otherwise, they say that you have to make a mechanism, and they make you think that they want you to make a robot, but no, you're just making a mechanism, and you can just make like the actual tool. Or for example, if they ask you to make a mechanism that can pick up this gear right here, then you'd make like a claw and like a revolver or whatever you need around it. But for best luck, I would make it like a robot, like one of the FTC robots. So now we have the external thread. This, if you click it, well, okay, for this, I made actually a sketch. This has to be done on specific cylinders. So I made this sketch right here, and I will extrude it for 17. And it's going outwards. Now, I will click external thread, and I will click it up right here. So it basically threads it, and it taps it, and I will make it longer. I will make it like, out of all 17 inches, I'll make it 15. Or that says 20, okay. 15 inches. And as you can see, if I click this, now it's threaded. Yeah, it's called threading, but the tool is called a tapper. I believe so. There's another tool that you can call a tap, and that's like you punch it down on wood or polycarb, and you punch it down so it makes like a little dent, so it's easier for you to drill through it. But anyways, that is this episode. I didn't explain a lot, but I have explained many things that you might want for FTC like to get ready for FTC.